Hello friends, this is Ashu and welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is on how to make a bed and lay bedsheet perfectly. Bedroom is the place where after having a long tiring day, we want to relax and have peaceful sleep. Making a bed every morning is considered one of the best morning habits. It takes only 2 minutes to rearrange your bed every morning. So let's see how to make this kind of bed and keep it neat and tidy all the time. First, most important tip is to protect and cover your mattress with good quality cotton mattress cover. There are so many good brands who make mattress covers. Optionally, you may also go for waterproof cotton covers like the one I have. These covers protect mattress from accidental spillage and help in keeping your bedsheet intact. Fitted covers like this can be easily placed on the mattress. Most of the mattresses are made of synthetic cover, so bed should easily slip off no matter how perfectly you lay them. I have put the link in the description box for this product. The second tip is to use the king size bed sheets no matter if your bed is queen size or king size. Use the largest size available. Let me show you why we should use big size bed sheets. This trick is especially helpful for those who do not have mattress cover. Here I am showing you how to lay a perfect tight bed sheet on a queen bed. I have taken a king size bedsheet for this bed, which is the largest size. Now open the bedsheet and spread it on the mattress equally from all the sides. Now pull the mattress in the front. Take both the ends of the bedsheet in your hand and tie a knot like this. Clear the crease and place all the extra material inside under the mattress. Now do the same on the opposite side. Take both the ends and tie the knot. Put all the extra part inside. Once done, push your mattress to come to its place. Remove the crease by firmly putting the extra edges under the mattress. Now your bedsheet will not move from its place. Every morning just clear the crease from the edges and tighten it and you're good to go. Now place the pillows. This open part of the pillow should not face the room entrance. Does not look good. Just place them on the opposite side of the entrance. Now place the cushions or show pillows if you have. Done. Now if you use quilt or comforter, then spread it on the bed. Fold the top edge to the point where you have placed the pillows or cushions. Clear the crease from all the sides. Now insert the bottom edge under the mattress. And that's it, your bed is done. You can also fold your comforter in layers like this. The top end should be facing the pillows. By doing this, it is easy to grab the comforter when needed, looks neat and at the same time easy to fold it back. Or simply fold the comforter and place it at the bottom of your bed. If you don't use comforter, you can do the same with the bedsheet also. Just fold the sheet nicely and place it at the bottom of your bed. Now, by any chance if you do not have larger size bed sheet or your bed is the same size as your bed sheet or you have two single mattresses, then what? So, for that, first tip is to use the cotton mattress cover. And second tip is spread the bed sheet evenly by leaving some extra gaps in all four sides. Now tie the loose knots in all four corners of the bed sheet, just near and little below to the mattress corners. Like this. It will become like a half fitted sheet. Now put the top end inside and hide the knots by firmly placing them under the mattress. Do the same with the other three sides and clear the crease by firmly pressing the sheet and placing it under the mattress. These knots act like an anchor points and will help the bedsheet to stay in its position. That's it. Even if it gets messy, tidying it up is very easy. Remember, it takes only 2 minutes to rearrange your bed. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your family and friends if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.